Imagine your body is a super-duper special house. It's not just any house, it's a smart house, the smartest one ever built. And inside this house, everything needs to be perfect for you to live, play, learn, and grow. This house has a secret power, an amazing balancing act that keeps everything inside it feeling just right. We have a fancy name for this power: homeostasis. It sounds complicated, but it's really just your body's way of making sure your inner world is always cozy and safe, no matter what's happening in the world outside. Let's start with the thermostat. Your smart house has a super smart thermostat that makes sure the temperature inside is always perfect. Think about it. When you run around outside on a hot summer day, you start to sweat. That's your body's air conditioner kicking in. The sweat cools your skin down, making sure the inside of your house doesn't overheat. Now, what about a cold, snowy day? You start to shiver. Those little shakes are like a tiny furnace turning on, with your muscles moving fast to create heat and warm you up. Your body is always working to keep its temperature at a happy 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Why? Because that's the perfect temperature for everything inside your house to work properly. But it's not just about temperature. Your body's smart house also keeps an eye on your water levels. It makes sure you have enough water, but not too much. If you're running low, your brain sends you a little message: "Hey, I'm thirsty," and you know to drink some water. It also watches your sugar levels. After you eat a cookie, your blood sugar goes up. Your body releases a special helper called insulin, which tells your cells to open up and take in that sugar for energy, bringing the level right back down to normal. It's like having the perfect amount of juice in your cup. Not too full, not too empty. This constant balancing is homeostasis, and it's happening every second of every day, without you even having to think about it. Now let's explore another room in our smart house. This room has a special scale, a yummy sour scale for all the liquids inside your body. We call this the pH scale. Some parts of your body need to be a little sour or acidic. Your stomach, for example, is like a little pool of lemon juice. It has a very sour pH, which is perfect for squishing up the food you eat and zapping any bad germs that might have snuck in on your lunch. But other parts of your body need to be the opposite, a little bit yummy or alkaline. After your food leaves the sour stomach, it goes into your small intestine, where the environment is slightly alkaline. This change is crucial for the next stage of digestion. The most important pH balance, though, is in your blood. Your blood has to be kept in a very, very specific range. Just a tiny bit on the yummy side of neutral. Not too sour, not too yummy. If it gets even a little bit off, it can cause big problems. Your body has amazing systems, like buffers in your blood and help from your lungs and kidneys, that act like tiny scientists, constantly measuring and adjusting to keep that blood pH perfectly stable. It's an incredibly delicate balancing act, making sure every part of your body has the exact yummy sour level it needs to do its job. So what happens if the thermostat in our smart house breaks or the yummy sour scale goes haywire? This is where we meet the most important workers in your body, tiny superhero helpers called enzymes. Imagine you have millions of these little heroes zipping around inside you. Each one has a very special shape, like a key that is perfectly designed to fit a specific lock. These enzyme keys are responsible for almost everything. They unlock energy from your food, help build your muscles, and speed up all the chemical reactions that keep you alive. They are the construction workers, the chefs, and the mechanics of your body. But these superhero helpers have a weakness. They are very sensitive. If the temperature in your body gets too hot, like with a high fever, the enzymes can get wobbly. Their special key shape starts to melt and change, like a key made of soft wax. The same thing happens if the pH, the yummy sour balance, is wrong. An environment that's too acidic or too alkaline can also cause the enzymes to bend out of shape. When an enzyme loses its special shape, we call it denaturation. And a denatured enzyme is a superhero that has lost its powers. A bent key can't open a lock. A wobbly enzyme can't do its job. This is why homeostasis is so critical. Your body works tirelessly to maintain that perfect temperature and that perfect pH balance, so that your millions of enzyme helpers can keep their perfect shape and continue doing all their important jobs. If they can't, your body's systems can't function correctly, and that's when you start to feel sick. Quick one. If your body just got a little more interesting to you than it was 10 minutes ago, hit the like button. And if you want more of this, subscribe. New videos go up regularly and they're all this kind of thing. Right. Back to the superheroes. So, why does your body work so hard at this constant balancing act? The benefits are huge. When your body is in a state of homeostasis, when everything is just right, you are at your best. It means your cells have the perfect environment to get energy, make repairs, and communicate with each other. It means you can run fast on the playground, think clearly to solve a puzzle, and have a strong immune system to fight off nasty colds. A balanced body is an efficient, healthy, and resilient body. Homeostasis is basically your body's best friend, working behind the scenes to make sure you have everything you need to be you. And it's not just one system doing all this work. Your body is like a championship team and all the players have to work together. Think of it like different superhero teams keeping your smart house safe. You have the nervous system. That's the bossy brain team. Your brain and nerves are the control center, constantly monitoring everything and sending out orders. If it senses you're too cold, it tells your muscles to shiver. If you touch something hot, it tells your hand to pull away. Then you have the digestive system, the food power-up team. This team breaks down your food into fuel and building blocks that all the other teams need to function. It provides the energy for your muscles to run and your brain to think. And of course, you have the immune system, the bodyguard team. These are your personal bodyguards, always on patrol, looking for invading germs. When they find one, they spring into action to fight it off, protecting your house from being taken over. These teams are always talking to each other. The bossy brain team tells the food power-up team when you're hungry. The food power-up team sends energy to the bodyguard team so it can be strong enough to fight infections. And a healthy bodyguard team keeps you from getting sick, which allows the whole house to stay in that happy, balanced state of homeostasis. Every system plays a part, working in perfect harmony. The best part is, you can help your body's team. You can be the team manager. Simple things you do every day can make a huge difference in helping your body maintain its balance. Drinking plenty of water gives your body the fluid it needs for all its tasks. Eating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables provides the vitamins and minerals that help your enzyme helpers and bodyguard cells stay strong. Getting a good night's sleep is like letting your smart house run a deep cleaning and repair cycle so everything is fresh and ready for a new day. And playing outside, running and jumping keeps your heart, muscles, and bones healthy and strong. So the next time you feel a bead of sweat on a hot day or a shiver on a cold one, just smile. It's a little reminder of the incredible, invisible work that's always happening inside of you. Your body is the most amazing smart house in the universe, a perfectly coordinated team of systems and helpers. And its one and only mission is to maintain that delicate, wonderful balance. That state of homeostasis. That keeps you healthy, strong, and ready for every adventure that comes your way. The next video coming up on your screen now goes even deeper into how your body runs itself. And there's one part of the system most people completely ignore until something goes wrong. Worth watching that. It's right there. I'm Billy, and I probably spend too much time thinking about the fact that your body has been quietly solving problems you didn't even know existed. Every second, your whole life. Without you asking it to, without you even noticing. And most people only start paying attention to that system when it breaks. If it just hit you that the most important things working in your favor are usually the ones running in the background, subscribe. Because that's exactly what we cover here.